thing. Ooh la la la, it's the natural. Hello there. So today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. This is from Crate and Barrel. If you couldn't tell, crate is over here and a barrel. So, you know, I felt like we just needed to upgrade something in our kitchen. And well, you know, so let's see what it is. Don't care about that. Oh my goodness. This is a German knife set from the brand Wusthof. So I wanted to get a new knife set because we got, can you see that in the back there? That? It's a wrap. So this is what we've had. It's not terrible, it's just, you know, it's giving Target and I want some other shit now. We'll use it to open the new knives though. That's messed up. Okay. Ooh. So this is the Classic Ikon, and it comes with the butcher block. I actually like this color a lot better than the black. Oh. Well then, extraordinary blades for the most discriminating cooks. Discriminating? Is this a translation error? Listen, I don't discriminate, but I also don't cook. Use the old knife to open the butcher block set. Boring. Oh, there's one of those little don't eat it packets in there. How am I supposed to get that out? Okay, there we go. You got your kitchen shears. This is a 3.5-inch paring knife. You can tell that's sharp. That just looks sharp. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steak knives. This is the bread knife. And this is specifically made to cut bread.
It's a knife.
This is the Santoku knife. I don't know what this is for, but I like it. This is a utility knife. A sausage knife. What? And this is the knife sharpener. Forgot about you. Hiding back there. Silly. Okay, this is the big boy. Versus this one. And that's not bad, you know. Let's just see what this one cuts like. We'll do a little slit on the side here. Oh, that's like butter. That's like butter. I have to cut it like a normal human because he's using them, but wow. That's how a knife is supposed to cut?
Yeah. What was it? Let me see that knife.
Yeah.
It won't
You
cut
can't
it.
even cut it.
It won't cut it.
Exactly. This is the real proof right there. Now I'll show it again with that. Slices right through it. Yeah, destroyed. Destroyed.
Shit.
Yep.
Oh, that's interesting.
Had to get the real cook out here, the real top chef, to demonstrate. You ever had knives like this growing up? I feel like all we had was butter knives. Like just a whole bunch of butter knives and then a carving knife. That's it. So I just washed it and dried it off because you want to definitely make sure that you dry these knives anytime you use them because you don't want them to rust. But I would definitely say you notice a significant difference in terms of the cutting capabilities of those knives versus, what is this even a brand? I don't even know what that is, but it served its purpose for long enough.